It's been a great 12 months for Country Range Group, with 3 new members and a healthy increase in turnover. The group now comprises 16 members operating out of 25 locations across the UK and Channel Islands. Having the resource of a national group and the personal service of regional wholesalers is proving a winning combination. Group turnover in 2013 reached £360 million. That's an impressive increase of almost 13% year on year, 60% in the past 5 years and more than 450% in the past decade. Following a fantastic 2013, Caterite started 2014 strongly and achieved 20 consecutive months of continuous growth. In an exciting development, Caterite has acquired 4 Seasons Foods, one of Cumbria's leading fresh food suppliers, with a turnover of around £4 million and a strong customer base in Cumbria and southwest Scotland. Across southern England, Coastline, now a member of Produced in Kent, continues to enhance and extend its food service offering through Country Range and by listing more local products. Sales in produce continue to grow, in part due to the strong demand for the seasonal and exotic items Coastline brings in on a daily basis from Rungis International Market on the outskirts of Paris. On the South Devon coast, Caterfood is reporting healthy increases in turnover and operating profit of 5% and 10% respectively, and has purchased more than £2.3 million of Country Range branded products in its first full year as part of the group. Highlights include winning the Foremost Group and Lloyd Maunder contracts and encouraging growth in sales of fresh chicken and salad products. Birchall Food Service is definitely building for the future with a £3 million investment in a move to a new warehouse. The new site will see the warehouse footprint quadrupled and includes a new freezer as big as the company's entire existing building. Overall sales are up by 8%, chilled sales are up by 17%, sales of frozen products now top £3 million, and a dedicated focus on catering equipment has delivered a spectacular 67% increase in sales. It's all good news from Jersey-based Valley Foods, with sales running at 7% above budget and a 1.5% hike in margins, mainly due to a healthy increase in sales of Country Range own brand products. In 2013, Creed covered 5.8 million miles to make deliveries to customers. That's the equivalent of 233 times around the globe, and the warehouse teams picked 8.2 million items with an accuracy of 99.8%. These efforts were a vital part in the company's success in achieving a turnover of £55.6 million, a hike of 19% over the previous year. On average this year, Creed has opened 38 new independent accounts each month. In Scotland, as a result of joining Country Range Group, Dunn's Food and Drink has added 600 lines to the 3,000 plus product range it offers to its 2,000 plus customers. In the past 12 months, Dunn's has opened more than 500 new accounts and launched a full online ordering service for customers. From its base in Oxford, Savona provides fine foods for chefs across most of southern England and the Midlands. In a great example of successful partnership working with 3 other Country Range members, Savona has recently secured a 5-year deal worth £15 million plus with its largest customer. Thomas Ridley Food Service is on target with its 5-year plan to achieve £60 million annual turnover by 2018. A second depot south of London will open in late 2014. Recent investment at the depot on the outskirts of Bury St Edmunds includes freezer and chilled store extensions and 6 additional loading bays. Down in Cornwall, it's been a busy and successful 12 months at Chaffin's, with more than 50 new accounts opened, including a sole supply contract with St Austell Brewery for dried goods, chilled and frozen produce. This helped the team hit its target of frozen produce comprising 10% of total sales in 2013, an increase of 46% year-on-year. During 2013-2014, Hull-based Turner Price achieved its best ever financial performance thanks to year-on-year growth of 20%, fueled primarily by 50% plus growth in both fruit and veg and butchery, and 30% plus growth in free trade. Highlights include a new 3-year contract with East Riding Council and helping Hull City Council to gain a bronze award in the Food for Life scheme. Following a rebrand, our London and Hertfordshire-based member is now known as EFG Food Service, with a smart new logo, website and brochure to boot. In a bid to raise profile and meet new customers, in April 2014, EFG Food Service successfully exhibited for the first time at the Hotel Olympia show at London Excel. In Ireland, strong sales performance and tight cost control saw gross profit increase by 10% at Henderson's Food Service during 2013. Overall sales were up 11%, independent sales by 18%, and 700 new accounts were opened. Sales of Country Range own brand were up £3 million. That's a year-on-year increase of more than 75%. Business is booming at Blackpool-based Trevor's, with growth of more than 25% in 2013 and an ever-expanding team which now numbers 52. Recent successes through the University Caterers Organisation include contract awards from the Blackpool and Fylde College, Halton Borough Council and Rochdale Sixth Form College. Channel Islands-based Chimandis has moved to new premises in Jersey to create a consolidated operation for both Jersey and Guernsey. In Jersey, Chimandis has driven up sales and profit through business wins, including the Handpicked Hotels Group, more volume from the Seymour Hotel Group and the Compass Group. On the North Devon coast, Ilfracombe Food Service is reporting 13.5% year-on-year growth, and both frozen and chilled categories are up by more than 20%. The delivery fleet has increased in size by 15% and now makes deliveries on 6 days per week in most areas. More than 90 suppliers participated in the company's annual exhibition in May 2014. With 2014 having started in a similarly positive fashion to last year, the group's track record of strong growth looks set to continue, and everyone is looking forward to a bright future.